hero. My fear is to be a zero. Without you, I'm nothing. Okay, maybe I'm something, but there's something right there. Is nothing I ever want to be, nothing I ever want to see. Bleed blood, I never want to bleed. This world is filled with greed. It's like we need money to breathe. That's why some don't believe it's because they're trapped with deceit. We got this world shook because we look at them and say they're not playing by the book. God must hate them, but look at everything we took. Tweet hate from talent to read the Bible from a nook. What we don't understand is maybe we're the real crooks. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't live comfortable, provide for your family. Yeah, I think that's wonderful. I just want us to give and love. I want to close the gap between a CEO and a poor kid with a gap in the ghetto. Someone wear rat tat tat on his brother named Matt, who just laid there like a mat. It's ironic, no supersonic here and needed to listen to my vision. Take the truth and make a decision to affect your decisions. I'm a carrier pigeon, revision after revision, trying to reach the masses. I feel like I'm on a mission. This world needs more love, and I know that I can't cure it, but this hate is a cancer, and I'm just aiming for remission. A year ago, I wanted to be a martyr, but it's harder now that I'm bothered, and I grow farther in love. Pray to a Father above that I don't die for her sake, for their sake, for my sake. Please don't take my life. Don't leave me to that light, at least not yet, because I need her and she needs me. Love comes with a price, and most can't afford the warranty. War and peace, war seems to be winning the fight. The peace seems like a lost piece of the puzzle called life. I'm put in minds of the mind are about to explode. I'm looking for signs that will never erode. You and my arms, my humble abode. We're walking this road, never alone. My heart and my soul will never be sold. Can't be quiet, I gotta be bold. Especially when people are told that there are these other ones in the cold. We're lining up, who says to know to live? We act like we ain't got nothing to give. Don't just say it's the way it is. Don't even say it's none of my business. Trying to make a change the game. Help the people who really in pain. This world is burning, the devil's flame. We're swimming in blood, this world's in vain.